Blockquote genuinely marks a real extended quotation. Q genuinely marks a real short inline quote. Cite genuinely marks the actual source. In this video you'll use all three correctly. Blockquote genuinely marks a real block-level extended quote. Cite genuinely holds the actual source URL, though invisible by default. Q genuinely marks a real short inline quote. Browsers genuinely add actual quotation marks around it automatically. Cite genuinely marks the real title of a work or its author, genuinely rendered in italics by default. Blockquote genuinely marks a real extended, block-level quotation. Q genuinely marks a real short inline quote with automatic quote marks. Cite genuinely marks the real title author of the source being quoted. Add a real blockquote with a proper cite attribute to a page. Ready to display real preformatted text and code blocks.